What's slowing you down? Every second, your team struggles with outdated technologies or delayed transformation. Opportunities are slipping away. At IMC 2025, we're tackling the speed of reliability, aligning people, IoT, and AI to help you achieve faster time to value. Discover proven practices to overcome long deployment times and failed rollouts. Learn from experienced reliability leaders from the world's best-run companies who've turned slow starts into rapid success. For 39 years, IMC has delivered breakthroughs that transform people and cultures at work. This year, it's your turn. Don't let the future leave you behind. Join us at IMC 2025 and accelerate your path to reliability.